Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Okay, so today we are going to see LED, changing the brightness of LED with pot. Okay, and we are going to measure the value of pot on serial monitor. That means we are going to display the value of this potentiometer on the serial monitor also. So for this, see, we have done here connections as we do normally. The first thing is we have taken Arduino Uno, then we have connected one LED here. To the anode terminal of LED, we have connected one resistor, and we have given the connection of this anode terminal to the pin number 13. Fine. Then we have taken one potentiometer, right? So as I said, there are three terminals to the potentiometer. Terminal 1, okay, this is terminal 1, terminal 2, and middle one is wiper, where we will get the variable value of this potentiometer, the variable resistance of this potentiometer. The value of this potentiometer will vary as we rotate this knob. Fine. So as we know, these two terminals, terminal 1 and terminal 2, we have to connect one of the terminal to the ground and another terminal to the VCC. Okay, there is no polarity here. So we can connect any terminal to the VCC and any terminal to the ground. So here we have connected terminal 1 to the ground with black wire. Okay, I have denoted this with black wire. Then terminal 2 I have connected to the 5 volt with this red wire. Then what we did here is we have connected this middle terminal, that is wiper of this potentiometer, directly to the cathode terminal of this potentiometer. Fine, cathode terminal of this potentiometer. Now as we change the resistance of this potentiometer by varying this knob, by moving this wiper, the brightness of this LED should vary. But how can we measure what is the value of this potentiometer? For that, we have connected this wiper again to one of the analog pin, where we will get the value of this potentiometer in analog form. Okay, so we will do this in another form also, in another way also. Okay, without connecting this wiper directly to LED, we'll do that also. First, we will see with connecting this wiper directly to the one of the terminal of LED. Fine. So for that, we need some code. We need to write some code. So we start with code. Okay. So initially, I need to define where I have connected this wiper and where we have connected this LED. These two things we need to define. So I'm going to define two variables, integer pot pin, where I have connected this pot pin wiper, where I have connected this wiper to the pin number A0, to the pin A0. So I will mention here A0. Fine. Then integer, another integer variable I'm going to define is where we have connected LED. LED equals to where we have connected LED we have connected to pin number 13. So I'm going to define here 13, pin number 13. Okay. Now our exact program will start, that is from void setup. In void setup, what we are going to do is our main program will start there. So here we are going to mention what is the pin mode of all these things. Pot pin, where pot pin is a variable where we have defined the analog input pin number A0, where we have given this, we have connected this A0 to the wiper terminal of the potentiometer, to the wiper of the potentiometer. Okay, so this will be input, the mode of this pin will be input. So where we have connected wiper, we have connected wiper to pin number A0, and what we have defined that variable, we have defined that variable as pot pin. You can change the name of that pin also. Okay, so I'm going to write the mode of that variable, that is pot pin, that is nothing but A0, where we have connected the wiper. Okay, that will be input. Fine. Now second thing is pin mode of our LED. Now we have connected our LED to the pin number 13. So here we can mention pin number 13 also, or else we can write here LED also. So LED is an output device. So here we will mention the mode of LED will be output. Now we want to print the value of this potentiometer on serial monitors. For that, we need to begin a serial communication. So here I will type an instruction serial dot begin 9600. Now 9600 is the baud rate or serial communication speed of this processor. Okay, and with serial dot begin instruction, we are going to start the serial communication. Fine. Now this was our void setup. Okay, all these instructions comes under void setup. Now we'll move to actual program, that is void loop. In void loop, what we are going to do is we are going to write actual program, how we are executing that program. Okay, now here first thing is we want to glow this LED, right? And LED is connected to pin number 13. So I'm going to write an instruction as digital write. So digital write LED should be high. Okay, now my LED will glow. And why I have written digital write? Because LED is connected to digital pins. So therefore I have given this instruction as digital write LED high. So with this instruction, your LED will glow. Now we want to display the value of this potentiometer, which we have connected the wiper of this potentiometer we have connected to pin number A0. Okay, so here we can display the value of wiper or the resistance of this potentiometer with the help of A0. So that value will be in the form of analog form. So for that, we need to read the value. So I'm going to read the value as analog read. Now which pin we are going to read? To the pin number A0. We have connected the wiper to pin number A0. So we need to read the value of A0. Okay. Now we need to store this value in some variable, and for that variable we need to initiate one variable as, I'm going to initiate that variable as integer pot measure. So pot measure is my variable where we are going to read the value of A0, and A0 is nothing but where we have connected the wiper of this potentiometer, where we are going to get a variable resistance. Fine. Now here in this variable, in the pot measure, we will receive the value of A0. Okay. Then we need to display this value. So for displaying, what is the requirement? The instruction required is serial dot print ln. The instruction ln takes us to next line. Ln, what we are going to print is this value, the value of this A0, which is stored in the pot measure variable. Okay, now this is our program. Let us check whether it is executing or not. Okay, now we'll start serial monitor. Okay, then we have not given any delay here. So here I'm going to display delay of 2 seconds. Okay, so after each 2 seconds, it will display the value of this potentiometer. Now we'll start simulating. Can you see it is displaying the value? Okay, I will just zoom in. Okay, can you see 1021? This is the value, and LED is not glowing here. Now as we rotate the knob, see this LED is glowing now, and the value of potentiometer is changing. A0, value of A0 is different now. Initially it was 1021, now it is different. Now as this value decreases, see this value is changing and brightness of LED is also changing. And this is the minimum value. The minimum value of this potentiometer is now 2 ohm and the brightness of LED is maximum brightness is there. Okay. So once again, I will rotate this knob. Please observe the brightness of LED. See, and please check out with this serial monitor display. Now again, I'm going to rotate this knob. See, please check with the brightness of LED. Fine. So have you understood till this? Okay, fine. Now next is we'll check with mapping. So concept of changing the brightness of pot without direct connection of this wiper to the LED, we will see with the mapping technique. Okay, there where what we are going to do is we are going to connect this wire. Okay, we are going to delete this wire and we are going to directly give this connection of cathode to the ground. Okay, and what we are going to do is there we will use the instruction of mapping where this analog value of this wiper will change into digital value, and that digital value will be written to the pin number 13 where LED is connected, wherever your LED is connected, and then the brightness of your LED will change according to the value of this potentiometer. Fine, that we will see in mapping process. Fine, till then take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.